Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this beautiful New Year's Eve party look. I'm so excited and this was so spontaneous, but if you guys would like to see how I get this awesome look, girl, then please keep watching. Hey, how you guys doing today? So today I'm going to be using my Carity E31 brush, my James Morphe palette, and my Carity eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be using this to prime my lids. Let me bring you guys a little closer. There we go. Now I'm going to use this transition color, and I really love this color for transitioning. I think I use it almost all the time. I'm going to use this to kind of add to that transition color and make it a little deeper, but still soft enough and close to that color where it's not a harsh transition.
Still have a hold on me. I hate you.
Now the black is a little bit of a shock, but it's going to make sense. I really wanted the black to be a base towards the color that I'm going to use. The purple, I'm going to use that to soften up the transition between the black and the transition color that I used before. Transition. This is literally my favorite color in the palette. I'm using this to put all over my lid. Not all over it, but you know what I mean, girl. And I'm using that. I love this color, and that black just brings out the, nighttimeness of it all. Then I'm using the e.l.f. liner to line my lid. Now, I don't really have a particular way how I line my lid, to be honest. I just follow my eye shape, and it kind of works. I'm going to let that dry. Okay, guys, don't judge me. I don't have no glitter glue, so I'm using eyelash glue to follow the liner that I previously did. And then I'm going to use this shimmer shade I got from Jolie Beauty, and I'm going to just basically put it on there. So this is the moment that I fucked up. I thought this shit was going to be, I thought that this color was going to be a great color to be a concealer, but it ended up being really bad. Look at me thinking that I'm cute and all. I was not cute, sorry. But yeah, so I ended up blending that in, and it actually blended out pretty good. It just made my face a little yellow, and I did not like that. I like my other foundation routine. Pardon my eyes, I'm watching Love and Hip Hop while I'm filming this. It's ridiculous, sorry. But I use the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shape Stick foundation, and that's what I'm using to contour. I'll link everything down below, all the products I'm using down below for you guys to check out. I'm also going to contour my nose and then blend everything in. And this is the moment that I fucked up again. So I went ahead and put my powder on my face, and it ended up making my face too bright. I ended up looking like Casper's cousin, and we're gonna forget about that. Then I went ahead and put my lashes on, and then I'm also putting on my MAC NW58 powder, and I'm going to use that to kind of make my face a little warmer. I'm taking that color and putting it in the tear duct of my eye. I think that's what that place is called, Then I'm going to use Patrick's, I think this is Take Me Home blush. If it's not, it's down below. Then I'm also going to be using the Bretman Rock highlighting palette, and this is Mahu, I believe. And then I'm putting that all over my face. And then this color did not work that great for me because it's a little too red, and the colors that I'm using on my eyes didn't really match it. Although it's a very nice, beautiful combination, it just didn't look great. So I had to darken it up a little bit, and I'm using a Carity lip liner for that, and I'll link that down below as well. And then I'm going to go in with that purple shade that I used to help transition the black and the transition color to blend in equally. And I put that on the bottom of my lid. And this is the final look, you guys. I'm so excited because I usually don't do bold looks like this, especially trying something new. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys have a beautiful New Year's. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye. Maybe I'm crazy to suppose